Welcome to our lecture on research variables and hypotheses, part of the Research Methods course. A variable is an attribute or quality that can vary among cases. Originating from the concept of variation, examples include sex, age, height, weight, empowerment, and ability. Continuous variables can assume any value within a range, while discrete variables take distinct, separate values with gaps between them. For continuous variables, consider the height of firefighters, which can take any value within a specified range, such as 1.78 meters or 1.782 meters. An example of a discrete variable is the number of students in a classroom, which can only be whole numbers like 1, 2, or 3, without intermediate values. Variables play different roles depending on research aims. Variation in response may depend on other attributes, such as how consumption habits affect reactions to price increases. Independent variables, also known as predictors, explain variations in dependent variables, which are the outcomes. Independent variables are conditions or characteristics manipulated or identified as explanatory, such as teaching methods or reward schemes. Dependent variables are conditions or characteristics that change in response to the independent variable, such as students' performance or test scores. In the research title, The Role of Physiotherapy Strategy in Community-Based Rehabilitation of the Physically Disabled, the independent variable is the physiotherapy strategy, and the dependent variable is the rehabilitation outcomes. To identify variables, look for verbs and phrases indicating influence or relationship, consider the research aim, and decide if a variable will be manipulated or measured. Precision and scale matter in measurement, impacting statistical methods and result interpretation. Consider nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio scales. The term hypothesis comes from hypo, meaning less than, and thesis. A hypothesis is a tentative statement about relationships between variables that can be tested empirically. A good hypothesis is testable, clear, specific, grounded in theory, and measurable in operational terms. Example hypotheses include: physiotherapy strategy A will improve rehabilitation outcomes compared to strategy B, and students taught with method X will achieve higher test scores than those taught with method Y. Variables are the building blocks of hypotheses, specifying expected relationships between identified independent and dependent variables. In summary, variables are properties that vary, independent variables are predictors, dependent variables are outcomes, and hypotheses are testable statements about relationships among variables. Consider identifying the independent and dependent variables in your current research or project, and draft a testable hypothesis from one of your research questions.